Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the headset and tools. Enable developer mode in the Pico phone app, connect the Pico 4 to your computer with USB-C, and make sure ADB is installed and working. Once connected, accept the USB debugging prompt in the headset. This authorizes commands from your machine. While you're here, confirm the headset firmware is fully up to date, so the hand tracking service you'll enable has compatible system libraries and permissions to run properly. Next, use ADB commands to enable the hand tracking runtime or install the official hand tracking APK provided by Pico or the trusted developer build. Run the enable command or sideload the APK, then reboot the headset to let the service register with the system. After reboot, check developer settings to confirm the hand tracking component is active. Make sure the APK version matches the headset firmware. Mismatches are the most common source of failure during this stage. Finally, open Settings right arrow controllers and input and enable hand tracking, or flip the developer toggle you just registered. Launch the example hand tracking demo or a compatible app to verify gestures, pinch, and pointing work reliably. Calibrate if the demo offers it. If tracking is jittery or won't enable, restart the headset, reauthorize USB debugging, and reinstall the matching APK for your firmware. That single fix, firmware and APK parity, resolves most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.